Imagine waking up to a world where your emails are already sorted, the most important ones flagged for your attention, and your day's priorities are clear before you even get out of bed. Your meetings are scheduled, reminders are set, and your digital calendar is perfectly organized all before you've even had your first sip of coffee. This isn't some distant dream or science fiction fantasy. AI automation is here right now, and it's ready to completely transform the way you work, helping you reclaim precious hours in your day. These powerful tools aren't reserved for tech giants or massive corporations anymore. Today, they're accessible to everyone, whether you're running a small business, managing a team, or just looking to simplify your daily routine. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks that fill your day, so you can focus on what truly matters: creativity, strategy, and growth. Think about all those small, repetitive chores that quietly drain your energy: copying data from one place to another, answering the same questions over and over, checking invoices or updating spreadsheets. With AI automation, you can set up smart workflows that handle these tasks instantly, freeing you from the busy work and giving you back valuable time each day. The goal isn't to replace your unique skills or creativity, but to give you superpowers, so you can focus on the big picture, make better decisions, and spend more time on what you love. In this guide, we'll break down the world of AI automation in simple, easy-to-understand terms. We'll show you what's possible, share real-world examples, and walk you through the first steps to get started. You'll learn how to choose the right tools, set up your first automations, and start seeing results right away. Whether you're a student juggling assignments, a professional aiming to boost productivity, or simply curious about the future of work, this is your roadmap to mastering AI automation and unlocking your full potential. It's time to stop just doing the work and start designing how the work gets done, so you can work smarter, not harder. Get ready to join a new wave of productivity, where technology empowers you to achieve more and stress less. The productivity revolution is here. Are you ready to take the leap? Let's get started and unlock your potential together. Let's break it down. AI automation workflows might sound complex, but at their core, they're surprisingly intuitive. Think of an AI automation workflow as a digital recipe for your business or daily tasks. You decide the ingredients, the steps and rules, and the computer follows them, just like a chef following a recipe, to get things done efficiently. For example, when an email with an invoice arrives, you can set up a workflow to automatically save the PDF to a specific folder. That's basic automation, simple but powerful. Now add AI into the mix and things get even more interesting. The system can actually read the email, understand what's inside, and extract key invoice details, then update your spreadsheet or database automatically. No human intervention required. With AI, your workflow isn't just following instructions, it's making decisions, learning from patterns, and handling tasks that might change from day to day. Imagine the difference between a train that always runs on the same tracks and a self-driving car that can navigate new routes, avoid obstacles, and improve with every trip. That's the leap AI brings to automation. AI automation connects your favorite apps, understands the context of your work, and can even anticipate what you need next, all while getting smarter and more efficient over time as it learns from your data and feedback. You're not just automating repetitive tasks, you're building flexible, intelligent systems that adapt and grow with your needs. It's about creating workflows that don't just do, they think, learn, and evolve alongside your business. That's the real power of AI automation workflows, unlocking new possibilities, saving time, and letting you focus on what matters most. So, let's dive in and discover just how much you can automate with AI. The possibilities are huge. AI automation can handle data entry, customer service, content creation, and even physical tasks. Automate data extraction from emails, PDFs, or scanned documents straight into your database. No more manual copying. Use AI chatbots to answer common customer questions instantly, freeing your team for complex issues. For marketing, set up workflows that track trends, draft social posts, and suggest hashtags. Just review and publish. In manufacturing, AI predicts equipment failures before they happen, scheduling maintenance and saving costs. From your inbox to the factory floor, AI automation is reshaping work everywhere. It's about saving time, reducing errors, and boosting creativity. If it's repetitive, rule-based, or data-driven, it can probably be automated. Let's look at how it all works. How does AI automation work? It's powered by a few key technologies. Machine learning teaches computers to spot patterns like spam detection by learning from data. Natural language processing lets AI read, understand, and generate human language, powering chatbots and text analysis. Computer vision enables machines to see, reading scanned documents, recognizing images, or analyzing video. Robotic process automation, RPA, mimics repetitive computer tasks, logging in, copying data, clicking buttons. Combine RPA with AI, and you get intelligent automation bots that do the grunt work, AI that makes the decisions. These technologies work together to automate everything from emails to image analysis. You don't need to be a tech expert, just know which tool fits your task. With the right mix, you can automate almost anything. Let's build your first workflow. Here's how. Ready to build your first automation? Start small. Don't feel pressured to automate everything at once. Focus on a single, manageable process to begin with. This approach helps you learn the basics without feeling overwhelmed. Identify a repetitive, rule-based task, like copying sales numbers into a spreadsheet. These are the best candidates for automation because they follow clear steps and happen frequently. Write down each manual step. This becomes your automation blueprint. Be as detailed as possible. Note every click, every copy-paste, and every decision point. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to automate. Choose a tool that matches your task's complexity. Zapier or Power Automate for simple jobs, especially if you're just starting out or want to connect popular apps quickly. AI-powered platforms for more advanced needs. These tools can handle complex logic, integrate with custom software, and even use machine learning to make decisions. Most tools use a visual drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to build workflows without writing code. You can simply drag blocks or steps into place, connecting them to mirror your manual process. Set a trigger, like new email received, which tells your automation when to start. Triggers can be anything from a file upload to a calendar event. Then add actions, such as scanning for keywords, extracting files, or uploading to Dropbox. You can chain multiple actions together to create a seamless workflow. Build your digital assembly line step by step. Visualize how data moves from one stage to the next, just like a production line in a factory. Test your workflow with sample data, check for errors and edge cases. Make sure it works as expected in different scenarios, not just the ideal case. Don't just deploy and hope, review the results carefully. Look for any missteps or unexpected outcomes, refine until it works smoothly. Tweak your workflow, adjust settings, and retest as needed to ensure reliability. Once live, monitor performance and tweak as needed. Use analytics and logs to spot bottlenecks or failures and make improvements over time. Automation is an ongoing process. There's always room to optimize, expand, and adapt as your needs change. Identify, build, test, improve. This cycle helps you create more robust and effective automations over time. Each small win builds your confidence and skills. Start with one task, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to experiment. Then expand as you learn. Add new steps, automate more processes, and gradually take on bigger challenges. The key is to keep iterating and improving. Automation isn't a one-time project. It's a journey of continuous enhancement. You're not just automating, you're designing smarter ways to work, freeing up time for creativity and strategic thinking. Let's look at the best tools to get started and see which one fits your needs. Choosing the right tool is key, but don't overcomplicate it. For beginners, integration platforms like Zapier and Make are visual, easy, and connect thousands of apps, no coding needed. For more power, try Microsoft Power Automate or UiPath, great for business and complex workflows. Need advanced AI? Google Cloud AI and AWS AI services let you add OCR, sentiment analysis, and more to your automations. Start with the simplest tool that solves your problem. Don't jump to enterprise solutions if a basic workflow will do. Most platforms offer free trials, so experiment and see what fits. The best tool is the one you'll actually use. Focus on solving real problems, not chasing fancy tech. Start simple, build confidence, and grow your toolkit as you go. Now, let's talk about working alongside AI. Worried AI will take your job? Think of it as a partner, not a replacement. AI excels at repetitive, data-heavy tasks, but humans bring creativity, empathy, and judgment. The future is humans and machines working together, each doing what they do best. Like calculators for accountants or word processors for writers, AI automation empowers you to focus on higher-level work. Your value shifts from doing tasks to designing and managing automated systems. Skills like critical thinking, process design, and troubleshooting become essential. You become the conductor, orchestrating bots to achieve your goals. Embrace AI as your assistant, delegate the routine, focus on what matters. Use AI insights to make smarter decisions and unlock your creativity. This is your opportunity to grow and thrive in the new world of work. AI automation isn't always smooth. Expect challenges, but they're manageable. Fear of complexity? Start with a tiny, low-risk task to build confidence. Data quality matters. Clean up your data before automating or you'll get poor results. Automations can break, apps update, data changes. Test thoroughly and build in error handling. Monitor your workflows and be ready to tweak them as needed. Getting buy-in can be tough. Show, don't just tell. Build a small proof of concept and demonstrate real value. Start with a problem everyone agrees is painful, then automate and share the results. When people see time saved and errors reduced, they'll be more open to automation. Remember, automation is a journey, not a one-time fix. Stay flexible, keep learning, and adapt as you go. Every challenge is a chance to improve your systems. Let's wrap up your automation journey. You've learned what AI automation is, what it can do, and how to get started. Now it's your turn. Knowledge is only power when you use it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with one small, repetitive task from your to-do list. Open a free account on a platform like Zapier or Power Automate and try automating that task. Even imperfect attempts are progress. Automation is the new essential skill, like typing or spreadsheets once were. Each workflow you build saves time and boosts your future potential. Think like a systems designer, not just a task completer. Be curious, experiment, and celebrate your wins. The tools are at your fingertips. Build a more efficient, fulfilling work life. Start small, keep learning, and take control of your productivity. The revolution is here. Go build something cool.